Here we have a 73 registration plate 308 hatchback, 225 brake horsepower plug-in hybrid. GT specification gives it the lovely big diamond cut wheels, privacy glass in the rear, the sports rear lights, and because it's a plug-in hybrid, it'll run in hybrid mode, choosing between electric and petrol. You could use it in sport mode, or you can use it in purely electric mode. It comes with the factory option focal hi-fi, which really is fantastic. Standard equipment comes with this lovely Alcantara cloth and leather interior, rear parking camera, heated steering wheel, heated seats. A lovely, lovely car. Alcantara trim on the doors. You got this two-tone stitching on the dash. It really does look a fabulous car. 225 brake horsepower means it acts very sportily. Really is a wonderful car to drive. Economical.